I'm Ben, I'm the Operations Director at Falconer Print Packaging. I have been here 24 years. There is help from Heidelberg, yes. Two different elements of Heidelberg. There's a physical element of machines and there's a service element which, once you've bought the machine, it's all done and done. You're running the press. Second side then is the service, which I generally will say it will help me sleep better at night. It just makes the process a whole lot easier. I think it's just that friendly attitude and also, say respectfully, they deal with stuff in the right manner. We all have a little bit of fun as well on the phone. It's nice to have a conversation with people too. It's a very personable kind of experience, although we've all got jobs to do and there's issues to resolve and put things right. It's nice to do it in a friendly, kind of comfortable manner as well. We will stick to quality over quantity every day. So we don't want to let customers down. We have a really good track record of keeping customers happy and getting the jobs done on time. To see a press running at that capacity it does at 18 years old, I believe, and I'm sure the Heidelberg guys will say, it's really impressive. For me personally, it means I can sleep better at night.